all of the parts of nature are connected to one another. All of them are in homeostasis, balance, harmony, other than the person. The person, on purpose, developed egoistically until this moment. And now we are in a crisis towards nature. That we developed and developed in this global system, we, humanity, human society, and in relation to nature in the crisis. This is nature. And we are inside human society. And we are opposed. In contrast. And that's the crisis. Meaning, what's the crisis? We are not adapted to nature. And until we adapt to nature, become similar to it, we will feel bad. Just like in any place. Warmth, cold, pressures, all kinds of things where if we're not in balance, if we're not adapted to the environment, we feel bad. Therefore, we need to understand what can we do here? How can we, with the human society, adapt ourselves to nature? Adapt means to be connected between each other, between ourselves, harmoniously between us, and that also in relation to nature, be harmonious. What does it mean, being harmonious? It means receiving and giving in a balanced way. We have, all in all, two forces in nature, giving and receiving. If we do that in human society, and we do that in relation to the external world, we will live well. There are thousands of articles about that from science. I just need to show that to people. I have nothing here from myself that I'm saying. I just, all in all, just gather the material and show them, look, what's happening. Look at what our problem is. Scientists are talking about that. Economists, sociologists, they're talking about that, not me. So let us all now, according to this disclosure of this diagnosis, let's treat that. That's all. Let's heal ourselves, make ourselves healthy. We don't bring the wisdom of Kabbalah into that. We don't bring religion into that. We just arrange all these knowledges that we have from science. We arrange them properly and bring them to people. And then we just ask, how can we correct the relationships between us? To correct the person. And then they explain what we learn in the article The Freedom by Baal HaSulam, the article about free choice, that the person is the result of the environment, and therefore we need to change the environment, the influence of the environment upon the person. And the environment we need to create between us artificially, to play, to act, that I build an environment that will influence me, and thus I change. I play, I act, I build this environment artificially, that I don't want to be nice and good, but after I've built it, and they influence me from many people, from all kinds of forms they influence me, then I change. And that's what we need to do. Why do we need to go in such a way? It's just like children who grow up through such activities, because I, who build the environment and feel myself as changing, I, through that, get to know nature, my nature, and the collective general nature. I start being wise, just like the Creator, and elevate myself to that degree, and that's truly the goal. Not the goal that I will live nice and comfortably here and I will correct the crisis. The goal is that through the correction of the crisis, I elevate myself to the next degree.